Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can extract RAR file in Windows 11. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to extract RAR file in Windows 11, you can extract it through WinRAR. So in order to extract it from WinRAR, first thing you need to do is download this software. After you're done downloading it, you need to click on install. After you're done installing WinRAR, double click on RAR file that you wish to extract, and then the RAR file on the system will have the WinRAR icon, and then you need to click on open to see the content of the RAR file. Select the file you want to extract and click on extract to choose the location on your PC. The next interface, you need to select the file location of your system where you want the extracted file to be saved. After you're done selecting it, then click on OK at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that is one of the simplest way of extracting RAR file in Windows 11. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.